Hi everybody, this is Miss Mac, and I'm going to go through with you how to set up your own account on Brainpop.com. Because of remote learning, we were able to get you each your own account. So please follow the directions to sign up for your own account. The first thing you're going to do is go to Brainpop.com, hit enter, and you'll see this screen. The next thing you want to do is go over here to enter code and click on that. You'll see a little box appear, and the code you need to enter is Hanger 5736. Take a moment, write that down if you have to, so you'll remember it when you come to this screen on your own page. Once you type that in, hit submit. It's going to give you another box. It says you're about to join 5th grade 2019. What you need to do is come all the way down here to sign up now. This is where you get to put in your information. So you'll fill out your first name, you'll fill out your last name, you'll put in a username. Make sure your username is something that you will remember. And then you'll need to put in a password. Again, make sure your password is something that you can remember. So once again, you'll need to fill out your first name, you'll need to fill out your last name, you'll need to fill in a username, something that you'll remember. You could possibly use your school 5-digit school ID. You could use the beginning of the first letter of your first name and your last name. You could use your first name with the first letter of your last name. It's up to you, but just remember, you have to remember this. You also have to remember your password. If I were you, I would write both my username and my password in my planner or somewhere else in my house so that I can remember it if I sometimes forget. It's going to ask you to retype your password. Make sure they match, and then it's going to ask you to choose a security question. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite color? And so on. This is going to help Brainpop in case you can't remember your username or password at all. It's going to help you find your username and password so that you can log on. Then it's going to ask you to type in the answer. So if you chose what is your favorite subject as your security question, you'd have to put the true answer. So if Miss Mac were choosing that question, my favorite subject would be reading. You also have to choose an image. If Miss Mac was choosing, I'd probably choose the fish. And then after that, I would create an account. So watch Miss Mac go through it. I'm going to set up an account for my daughter. So her first name is Jackie. Here's her last name. I'll put her usual. Oh, it's already taken, so I have to choose something else. Oh, that's usually taken. So I'll do that plus her birthday. That's pretty good. Now I'll type in a password. You can't see it, but I'll have to write that down so I remember it. They both match. Okay. If this were Jackie, she would pick what is your favorite subject, but hers would be math. And knowing her, she would most likely pick the fish as well. Hit create account, and here we go. Once you're ready, log in, and you have to sign in again with the username you created, and the password, and you'll see you're there. Up here is where you'll find all your work that I may assign you or Miss Lanzafame will assign you. And here are the topics that you can look through when you have some free time. If you have any questions or you get stuck, just replay the video, or you could email me or Miss Lanzafame at our email addresses. Have fun!